This is a lovingly restored, character-filled, 3-bedroom, semi-detached property in the countryside village of Westonzoyland. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
This is the start of how it all ends. Pull the knives out my back for my own friends. I'm surrounded by light, and I have everything but nothing at all. Everything I touch turns to gold. Ooh, my heart is still wild. People crave to watch me fall. Everything I touch turns to gold. Ooh. It took some time to discover where to begin.
If you're interested in this property, or indeed a valuation of your own home, please do get in touch.
After you pierced my soul,